What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to talk about higher roots. So far we were talking about square roots. We know when 3 squared equal to 9, square root of 9 will be 3. So 3 to the power of 2 will be 9. So square root of 9 is going to be 3. So when we are talking about higher roots, it means that we are talking about the roots with higher numbers. For example, we have cube root, which is saying that 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So cube root of 27 will be 3. Or we can say negative 2 to the power of 3 equals to negative 8. So the cube root of negative 8 will be negative 2. 4 to the power of 3 is 64. So the cube root of 64 will be 4. 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So the fourth root of 81 is 3. 2 to the power of 5 will be 32. So the fifth root of 32 will be 2. So that's what we call higher roots. Let's do a couple of examples. First example is you want to find out the cube root of 8. The answer will be 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So cube root of 8 will be 2. Another example is fifth root of negative 32. Answer will be negative 2 to the power of 5 will be negative 32. So the fifth root of negative 32 will be negative 2. Next example. Cube root of negative 27. Answer will be, we know negative 3 to the power of 3 is negative 27. So the cube root of negative 27 will be negative 3. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.